achievement, Jemergen Cleo P. Fabricante. My course is Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, first year college, and my section is 1B10. I decided to take a maritime course. Firstly, I've always been fascinated vastness and mystery of the ocean. Secondly, I knew that a maritime career offered a wide range of opportunities, whether it's working on a cargo vessels or in the offshore industry. There are many different paths I could take, but I like the idea of having the flexibility to choose a career that suited in my interest and skills. I can show respect to others in my class by following instruction and listening actively and respecting my classmates' opinions. In 5 years, I will be graduating at Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation and starting my career as a software engineer, and I will be a more confident and independent person, having overcome many challenges and learned valuable life lessons. I would want to be remembered for my work in developing affordable housing solutions for low-income families. And I would want to be remembered for the strong relationship I built with my family and friends, the love I shared, and the positive impact I had on those closest to me.